Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to customize header in Shopify Dawn theme. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply go to Shopify and go in the theme section, and here you will find the Dawn theme that you would have installed. Now what you need to do is click on customize button, and as you can see the Dawn theme had appeared here. And in order to customize the header, we will need to go in the header section here, and as you can see, when we click on it, it is giving us variety of options to customize from. So starting from here, first we can customize our logo position. If you want to place your logo in whatever position from among the four options here, if you want to place it on top left, and let's say if you want to place it on top center, so you can just select it from here. As we have not put our logo here, so it's not showing. Otherwise, if you upload your logo, it will show. And now the main menu, you can change it from here. You can click on change menu. If you want your menu type, if you want it to be mega menu or drawer, you can simply click on it and select. I will just select drop down for instance. And if you want it to be sticky header, the sticky header means if you want it to follow you along while you scroll, so it's only showing on scroll up. So let's say if you want to show it on always, then it will always show up regardless if you scroll up or scroll down. And it will also show separator line. So if you don't want to show separator line, you can always click that, but I would suggest you to keep the separator line. And now here is the interesting part. You can change the color scheme. So we will try some schemes from here. Let's say I want to try this one, so it's taking some time to load, and as you can see, the color scheme have been applied. And if we want to change the menu color scheme, let's say we want to use blue color, and as you can see, it has appeared here. When we click on it, you can see the blue color here. You can also choose the country or region selector. You can enable the language selector. You can change the mobile logo position if you want to put it on left. You can also add some margin here if you want to add some spacing, but I would suggest you not to do that. You can also use the theme settings from here. So this is the header section, and that's how you can customize the header. You can also put custom CSS. If you know a little bit of coding, it's actually really easy. So you can also put custom CSS here. So that's how you can customize your header in Shopify. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.